So
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Today we will complete this chapter. After that, I will start grammar. Voice. I'll start. Okay. So, from whom had grandfather bought Toto? Who will answer? Mohit Kondilya. I can see your name, Mohit. Mohit, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
मैम क्वेश्चन क्या था?
क्वेश्चन था कि फ्रॉम whom had grandfather bought Toto? Hello.
From Tonga driver.
Okay. Uh, ये किसने किया है? नाम तो मुझे पता चल गया है. Wait, I'll complain to your class teacher. So describe Toto's appearance. Who can describe?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, same one.
Ma'am, I can.
Wait. Ashish, you want to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Toto was a pretty monkey with bright eyes sparkled with mischief.
Okay.
He has big, deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, and he has pearly white teeth, which often displayed a smile that frightened some ladies.
Yes. So Toto was a very pretty monkey, eyes always shone with mischief and pearly white teeth. Also his tail added to his beauty. And what was the tail useful for? Who can say? Aditi,
Ma'am, can I?
Aditi, Aditi Kumari Naini, Anurag Roy.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
My question is, how was the tail useful for Toto? What did he use his tail for?
Ma'am, he used his tail to take the foods which where his hands are not
Able to reach.
where hands are able to reach. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, Anurag. Yes, your answer is right. He used one use was that he used it for hanging from the tree branch. That is the common use. All monkeys use it, but Toto also used it to take out delicious things where his hands could not reach. Yes, very good. Okay. Why why did grandfather keep Toto as a secret from grandmother? Aryan Kumar 9B. Aryan, can you hear me? Aryan 9B. I can see your name in the participants. Aryan 9B. No response. Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar. Only a few students answer. What about others? Okay. Okay, Janvi, you answer. Why
Yes,
why
ma'am.
did grandfather keep Toto as a secret from grandmother?
Because grandmother was first whenever grandfather brought some new pets in the house.
Okay, grandmother used to fuss. Yes, correct. Your answer is right. Okay. Okay. Oh, what did Toto do when he was hidden in the closet? Okay, Srija. Toto was.
Ma'am, he tore up the ornamental paper which covered the wall, and
Yes.
also he tore the blazer of the narrator into shreds.
Yes, very good. He tore the ornamental papers, the decorative papers, which had covered the wall, and he also took out the peg from the wall, and then he just bit the narrator's blazer into pieces. What was grandfather's reaction on all these mischiefs done by Toto? Anurag, can you answer? What was grandfather's reaction? Was he angry with Toto? गुस्सा वो थे जब टोटो ने सारा पेपर फाड़ दिया और नरेटर का ब्लेजर भी काट दिया. हेलो हेलो
Yes,
आशीष
ma'am.
राज.
मैम आई
Yes, ma'am.
You
मैम
want?
मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है.
Okay. आशीष राज.
Ma'am.
हाँ. अनुष्का. Okay, Anushka, you want to answer? Very good. चलो बोलो answer. What was grandfather's reaction? I want everyone to be
But
active.
मैं आंसर नहीं दूँ.
आशीष तुमको देना है दो.
Ma'am.
Grandfather seems to be pleased with Toto's performance.
Yes, grandfather was not at all angry. वो गुस्सा नहीं थे. He was pleased with Toto's performance. What did he comment? Akansha, you want to answer? What comment did grandfather give?
He said that he is clever.
Yes, very good. Yes. He said that Toto is very clever, and if he had got some more time, then he would have tied the shreds into pieces. अगर उसे और कुछ
Ma'am.
समय. हाँ बोलो, पूछो.
मैम यहाँ पे जैसे एनिमल के लिए इट यूज होता है तो मैम यहाँ पे ही क्यों यूज हुआ है टोटो के लिए.
क्योंकि ग्रैंडफादर अपने पेट से बहुत प्यार करते थे, वो उसको अपने फैमिली मेंबर जैसे ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. नरेटर इज ऑल्सो एन एनिमल लवर, and they treat the animals as members of their family. That is why. Okay, they love animals and they treat them as members of the family. Okay, so uh, he said that if Toto was given some more time, he would tie the shreds. वो सारे पीस को जोड़ के रस्सी बना के वो भाग जाता. Okay. What happened at the railway station at Dehradun when grandfather was taking Toto in the bag? Ayush Kumar, Srija, Janvi, only two hands are up. What about others? Hmm? Okay, Janvi, you answer.
Yes, ma'am. Toto used its great effort and he rolled.
Yes, he rolled. Connection is lost, I think. Okay.
Can I answer?
Okay, answer.
Ma'am,
Connection.
your
Ma'am,
voice is.
Toto was suffocating in the bag, so he.
Yes. Yes, continue, Srija.
Ma'am, Toto tried his best to get out of the bag, so he started rolling the bag on the floor, which attracted many people. When after a few minutes, after a period of time, Toto poked his head out of the bag, which attracted the ticket collector on the station. So the ticket when the ticket collector saw Toto, he 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 thought that the monkey was a dog, and forced the grandfather to pay a fine for it.
Yes, he said that he would have to pay 3 rupees. Okay, okay, we'll continue from. So so then okay, so this was the experience of grandfather. Even during the trip, he managed to make much of nuisance. हाँ, यात्रा के दौरान भी टोटो ने परेशान ही किया ग्रैंडफादर को. And then grandfather came home. Then now he revealed he revealed this secret to grandmother. And then Toto was given a new home. Toto को एक नया घर मिला. That was with the family donkey Nana. He was put in the stable with the family donkey Nana. और grandfather को तो पता था कि wherever Toto is put, he creates a lot of mischief. So he went to see whether how Toto was behaving there in the stable. And what he saw was that Nana was pulling the rope with which he was tied, the strap, the halter. Halter is the rope or the strap around the animal's neck. So he was pulling the halter, and without any clear reason. Apparent means clear. Apparent, without any clear reason and apparent cause, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of it. तो ग्रैंडफादर को बहुत सरप्राइजिंग लगा कि ये why is Nana behaving in such a strange way? Why is he pulling the halter without any apparent cause?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of halter?
Halter is the rope or the strap with which an animal is tied. जो एनिमल्स होते हैं उनके गले में एक पट्टा या कुछ रहता है ना जिससे उनको बांधा जाता है. दैट इज द halter. Is it clear? Yes. So halter is the
Yes, ma'am.
strap or the rope with which the animal is tied. You see the pet animals, the dogs or the cows and all, they have a rope around their neck. So that is Nana, without any clear reason, apparent means clear reason, pulling at the halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hay. Usually, the animals keep their mouth near the food, but what was the case with Nana? He was just trying to pull away from the food. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches. So, haunches is the back portion of an animal's body. Back.
मैम
हाँ बोलो आकांक्षा.
मैम यहाँ पे हे का मतलब है ग्रास ना.
हाँ, ड्राइड ग्रास. हे मतलब पुआल होता है, सूखा हुआ घास जो जानवर खाते हैं. यस
Ma'am, fodder na.
हाँ, fodder. Yes, yes. Hay is the dried grass, the food of the animals. Yes. So the haunches means the back portion. So grandfather was angry कि नाना क्यों जो है इतना restless हो रहा है, इतना बेचैन हो रहा है. So he slapped him and she jerked back. Jerked means sudden movement. Jerk होता है ना
Movement, yeah.
अचानक से. Sudden. Jerk is sudden movement. Back, dragging Toto with her. Toto को अपने साथ घसीटते हुए. He had fastened on to her long ears. He had fastened on to her long ears. So fastened means, I told yesterday, what is the meaning of fastened?
To tie or to
Yes,
bind.
tied. तो ही टोटो जो है उसने अपने आप को एक तरह से नाना से बांध दिया था. मतलब बांधना मतलब क्या, वो चिपक गया था. हाँ, स्टक. हियर ये जो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में फास्टेंड का मीनिंग है स्टक. फास्टेंड का मीनिंग वैसे in the real sense it is tied up, but here Toto just got stuck to her long ears with his sharp little teeth. and Toto and Nana never became friends. So Toto created mischief even over here. What was he doing? उसने नाना के कानों को एकदम अपने दांत से काट लिया था. Why was Nana so restless? Why was he just trying to move his mouth away from the hay, from the dried grass? Because here Toto had just bitten his ears. अपने दांत से उसके कानों को वो एकदम काट रहा था, एकदम गड़ा दिया था अपना दांत. Fastened on to her long ears with his teeth. And Toto and Nana never became friends. After this incident, what happened? Nana could never forget this, and they never became friends. Uh, so, a great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given him by grandmother for his bath. So, Toto used to enjoy the warm bath during the winter months. हाँ, गर्म पानी से नहाने ठंड में तो सबको अच्छा लगता है. तो Toto was also given warm water to bath, and he enjoyed this bath. And he would cunningly, so cunningly here means cleverly, test the temperature with his hand. वो क्या करता था, पहले एक उंगली डाल के पानी का टेम्परेचर टेस्ट कर लेता था. ऐसा नहीं कि एकदम गर्म पानी हो और वो जल जाए. So Toto was a very clever monkey. He had a very intelligent brain. So he would first put his hand to test the temperature, then gradually step into the bath. और तब वो अपना अंदर घुसता था. So first he will test the temperature, then he will enter into the water gradually, slowly. Gradually means slowly. First one foot, then the other, as he had seen me doing. और वो ऐसा क्यों करता था? क्योंकि उसने देखा था, as उसने नरेटर को देखा था. So he is very clever. He observes the human beings and then he copies them. A monkey is famous for copying the human beings. Monkeys क्या करते थे? तो monkeys, as he had seen me doing, until he was uh, into the water up to his neck. So uh, Toto would enter the water bowl just as he had seen the narrator doing. नरेटर भी अपना उंगली डाल के पहले टेम्परेचर टेस्ट करते थे, तो टोटो ने भी उनका कॉपी किया. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. So Toto was very concerned for his hygiene also. साफ सफाई का भी उसे बहुत importance पता था. So he used to bathe himself with soap. साबुन लगा के वो नहाता था, rub all over his body. And when the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. And once the water became cold, uh, he would quickly run to the kitchen fire. किचन में जो आग जलती थी वहां जाके वो अपने बॉडी को सुखाता था. So Toto is very intelligent. He observes everyone and he copies them. And if anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt. And Toto was very sensitive also. उसे ये पसंद नहीं था कि लोग उस पे हंसे. कोई अगर उस पे हंसता था तो उसका फीलिंग्स भी हर्ट होता था. So Toto would be very hurt if someone laughed at him, the way he copied people. Uh, Someone would laugh at him and then he would be very hurt, and he would refuse to go on with his bath. And he would refuse to go on with his bath. वो नहाना भी बीच में ही छोड़ देता था अगर कोई हंस दे. तो लोग उस पे हंसे ये टोटो को पसंद नहीं था. He did not like people laughing at him. So one day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. So here the narrator is talking about an accident that might have happened. हो सकता था accident. Luckily Toto was saved. But he one day Toto nearly succeeded in boiling himself alive. So nearly मतलब लगभग वो बच गया लेकिन uh, so, how did this happen? A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea. So, the narrator's family was a big family, so they had put a big kettle on the fire to make tea. And Toto, finding himself with nothing better to do, decided to remove the lid. तो टोटो ने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं जो है इस केटल में नहाया जाए, तो उसने लिड को हटाया, ढक्कन को रिमूव्ड, ही रिमूव्ड द लिड. Finding the water just warm enough for a bath, he got in with his head. So he just put his finger in it as he used to do for checking the temperature. He used to put his finger to check the temperature. So the kettle was on the water, and he checked the temperature by putting his finger, and he found that the water was just warm enough. So kettle जो है तुरंत आग पे रखा गया था, तो पानी बहुत ज्यादा गर्म नहीं था. So the water was not very hot because it had just been kept on the fire, just been kept. So what he did with his hair, he entered. Finding the water just warm enough, he got in. So he got in the kettle. The kettle is kept on the fire, and the head was sticking from the open kettle. He had removed the lid. This was just fine for a while. थोड़ा देर तो ठीक था, लेकिन वो kettle तो आग पे रखा हुआ था. The temperature of the water is increasing, and after some time, what happened? Water began to boil. टोटो was not aware. टोटो को ये नहीं पता कि वो आग पे रखा हुआ है. And Toto raised himself a little bit. Finding it cold outside, sat down again. He raised his body, लेकिन बाहर तो ठंड थी. फिर वो अंदर बैठ गया. He continued hopping up and down. Hopping
To
means what?
move, मैम ऐसे उछलना. Jump.
Jumping.
To jump.
हाँ. Hopping means jumping. So he kept on jumping. अब धीरे धीरे पानी तो बॉयल हो रहा है. Now he is feeling restless, so he uh, was hopping to come out, but he was not able to come out. Uh, Kettle was probably uh, big, and he was not able to come out of that kettle, hopping up and down for some time, uh, until grandmother arrived and hauled him. Hauled him means pulled him.
Dragged.
यहाँ पर पुल, क्योंकि पानी से तो बाहर निकालना. Pulled him out. So he pulled him out, half boiled, out of the kettle. टोटो जो है आधा उबल चुका था उसमें. Luckily grandmother ने देख लिया, otherwise Toto would have got completely burnt in the kettle. So this was one of the accident that happened to Toto. Grandmother saw and pulled him, otherwise he would have boiled himself completely, half boiled. So if there is a part of the brain especially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. So Toto के brain का सबसे developed portion कौन सा था? The portion that is devoted to mischief. So he was very very mischievous monkey, बहुत शैतान था. He was tearing things to pieces, as we already know कि narrator के blazer को फाड़ दिया था उन्होंने. Tearing. Whenever one of my aunts came near him, he made every effort to get hold of her dress and tear a hole in it. Whenever narrator's aunt came near him, what did he do? कपड़े में एक ड्रेस में एक छेद वो कर देता था. तो टोटो के दिमाग का सबसे डेवलप्ड पोर्शन कौन सा था? The portion that is related to mischief. Uh, so means he was very very mischievous monkey, more than the normal monkeys. So one day at lunchtime, a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. So one day, the narrator's grandmother, she cooked pulao, और बड़ा फैमिली था तो बड़े से डिश में जो है पुलाव डाइनिंग टेबल के बीच में रखा हुआ था. इट grandmother kept the dish of pulao in the center of the dining table. We entered the room to find Toto stuffing himself with rice. अब टोटो का फेवरेट भी पुलाव था, तो कोई खाए इससे पहले ही टोटो जो है वो एकदम अपने मुंह में ठूसना शुरू कर दिया. स्टफिंग is putting in huge amount, stuffing himself with rice. Toto saw the pulao kept, and immediately what he did, he started stuffing the pulao in his mouth. And grandmother was angry. She screamed means shouted. So grandmother shouted when she saw Toto stuffing the pulao. Nobody had eaten till that, and Toto started stuffing all the pulao. And Toto threw a plate at her. अब Toto pulao enjoy कर रहा है. A grandmother started shouting. He was very angry, and what he did, he threw a plate at her. Uh, very very rowdy monkey plate. One of my aunts rushed forward and received a glass of water in the face. Ab Toto was enjoying the delicious pulao, and whoever came in between, he just hit her with whatever he got. जो हाथ में आता, grandmother, he threw a plate. Another aunt came, and then he threw a glass of water in the face. When grandfather arrived, Toto picked up the dish of pulao and made his exit through a window. Now grandfather came. Now Toto is attached to grandfather. He had only rescued him from the uh, tanga driver. So he did not want to hit grandfather. Grandfather को वो कोई मारना नहीं चाहते थे, चाहता था टोटो. तो what he did, he just picked up that plate of pulao and he jumped out through the window. Monkeys are very good at jumping, so he just picked up the dish of pulao and he jumped out of the window. We found him in the branches of a jackfruit tree. टोटो थॉट कि ऐसा जगह जाके बैठते हैं जहाँ कोई डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सके. तो वो गया और कैंपस में एक कटहल का पेड़ था, उसके ऊपर, इट वाज अ टॉल जैकफ्रूट ट्री. एंड व्हाट टोटो डिड, he climbed that jackfruit tree with a plate of pulao. There he could eat without any disturbance. Here, every moment someone was coming in the room, he was not able to eat it, enjoy the pulao. So best place for him was to climb on the jackfruit tree and have the enjoy the dish over there. The dish still in his arms. He remained there all afternoon. वहाँ पूरा दोपहर वो आराम से पुलाव एंजॉय किया, eating slowly. So whole afternoon he remained on the jackfruit tree, eating the pulao slowly, enjoying it, relishing it. एकदम मजे से वो बैठ के वहां आराम से खा रहा था. डिटरमाइंड ऑन फिनिशिंग एवरी ग्रेन. और मन में क्या ठान लिया था, डिटरमाइंड मीन्स व्हाट, मन बना लेना, टेक अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन. डिटरमाइंड मीन्स टू टेक अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन. व्हाट, हाँ यस, व्हाट ही डिटरमाइंड कि एक दाना भी नहीं छोड़ना है किसी के लिए. On finishing every grain, he did not want to leave even one grain of pulao. Take a strong decision. Determine. Take a strong decision. So, and then in order to spite grandmother, spite here means insult.
To take revenge.
रिवेंज या इंसल्ट करने के लिए भी. स्पाइट हैज मल्टीपल मीनिंग्स, बहुत सारा उसका सिनोनिम है. तो यहाँ इंसल्ट और हेट grandmother who had screamed at him. Now he wanted to take his revenge and insult grandmother. So what he did, he just threw the dish down from the tree. He just threw the dish down from the tree and chattered with delight. Chattered is the sound
Sound of a
that,
monkey.
sound of the monkey. Monkeys chattered. So what he did, he just threw down the plate from the tree, and then he was very happy. He was very happy. He chattered with delight. Delight means happiness. So he chattered with delight. बहुत खुश हो गया वो. चलो पूरा पुलाव भी खा लिया और प्लेट भी तोड़ दिया. When it broke into 100 pieces, natural है, if the plate falls from such a height, jackfruit tree is a tall tree, it broke into 100 pieces. Obviously, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. टोटो ऐसा पेट नहीं था कि आप बहुत दिनों तक घर में रख सके. हाँ, टियरिंग द ड्रेस ऑफ द पीपल, देन ब्रेकिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. You cannot keep such a monkey for long. Even grandfather realized that. Grandfather was a pet lover, लेकिन ग्रैंडफादर ने भी रियलाइज किया कि टोटो को बहुत दिनों तक नहीं रखा जा सकता. We were not well to do. So well to do means what? Rich.
Affluent.
Rich, affluent, wealthy. Okay, so well to do means rich. So grandfather realized that they were not so rich that they could keep Toto for a long time. What does it mean? Rich या wealthy कहो, affluent. Okay, so grandfather realized that they could not keep Toto for a long time. His mischief could not be tolerated and could not afford the frequent loss of dishes. इतना जो लॉस है डिश का, क्लॉथ का, कर्टन का, जो भी मिलता था वो फाड़ देता था. And wallpaper. So grandfather found the Tonga driver and sold him back for 3 rupees. So he found that Tanga driver and then he sold him back for 3 rupees. 2 रुपया घाटा सह के ही बेच दिया. So finally Toto landed at the same place from where he had been brought. So finally grandfather was so fed up, itna wo tang aa gaya Toto se, that he sold back Toto to his original master, and by suffering a loss of 2 rupees. Okay, ग्लॉसरी में ये टर्न स्टाइल है. देखो इस तरह का गेट जो एकदम मूव करे, मैकेनिकल गेट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ revolving horizontal arms fixed to a vertical post. So this is the turnstile. It is the gate. You can find it at the railway stations. Halter, rope or strap placed around the head of a horse or other animal, used for leading or teethering it. What is the meaning of teethering?
Ma'am, to
Tie
tie.
or fasten. Tie or fasten, बांधना. तो रोप जो बांधने के लिए यूज हुआ हो. Okay, so our chapter is over. So when you write the question answers, uh, I'll send the PDF of this chapter on the group. So you can do the question. When you do the question answers, do the word meanings also. Not only these two words. In between also there are so many new words, ornamental or spite, वो सब जो है, all the unfamiliar words, new words. Apart from that, the question answers. 5 questions are there. Uh, Easy questions, you can do it. How does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? ये तो सबको पता है. Toto was a pretty monkey. So you have to describe Toto. What was, in what way Toto was beautiful? So Toto had shining eyes, then pearly white teeth and beautiful tail. So why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur? क्यों ले जा रहे थे? Because he was creating lot of mischief in the house. घर में बहुत mischief create कर रहे थे. And how? In the canvas bag कैसे ले गए? He prepared a canvas bag and he placed straw at the bottom of the bag. Mm. Why does ticket collector insist on calling Toto a dog? तो क्यों बार बार उसको डॉग कह रहे थे? बिकॉज द टिकट कलेक्टर कुड नॉट सी द होल बॉडी. पूरा बॉडी तो वो देख नहीं पाया, सिर्फ टोटो ने अपना सर बाहर निकाला. सो ही गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड दैट ही वाज अ dog because he was not able to see the whole body of Toto. He could see just his face. So
मैम
बोलो जानवी.
मैम यस मैम मैम टिकट कलेक्टर वाला मैम जो इंसिडेंट है वो कहाँ पे हुआ था? सहारनपुर में हुआ था या फिर देहरादून में हुआ था?
वो देहरादून में ही हुआ था.
मैम लेकिन यहाँ पे
तो
लिखा हुआ है
सहारनपुर
कि
में.
जब
रुको
वो
रुको,
सहारनपुर आ गया तो
अच्छा रुको, हम भी कंफ्यूज हैं. सहारनपुर रेलवे स्टेशन, वेट. नहीं, सहारनपुर. सॉरी, यस. Yeah, this incident took place in सहारनपुर. सहारनपुर में हुआ था, वो आ गए थे सहारन. फिर हाउ डज टोटो टेक अ बाथ? So you have to describe how he used to put his finger, एक उंगली डाल के वो चेक करता था टेम्परेचर. और फिर वो इंसिडेंट भी. दिस विल बी अ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. हाउ डज टोटो ऑलमोस्ट बॉयल हिमसेल्फ? So you have to write that incident where he entered into the kettle that was placed on the fire. So, Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for long. ऐसा वो क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत रिच नहीं थे और इतना सामान का बर्बादी को वो सह नहीं सकते थे. They were not well-to-do, wealthy, and they could not afford the loss of so many things. So you do the question answers and the word meanings. I'll send the PDF in the class group. And next class we will start grammar, or I may start the poem Wind. या तो विंड पढ़ाएंगे या कोई ग्रामर का टॉपिक. ओके, आई एम एंडिंग द क्लास.